Demystifying the netsh Winsock reset command.
Hello, viewers. In today's video, we're diving into a slightly technical but highly useful command line tool available in Windows, the netsh Winsock reset command. This command is a powerful tool when it comes to resolving networking issues on your Windows computer. Stick around to find out what it does, when to use it, and why it's important.
What does netsh Winsock reset do?
At its core, the netsh Winsock reset command is used to reset the Windows socket, or Winsock. Winsock is essentially a specification that dictates how Windows network software should access network services, particularly TCP/IP. When you run this command, it resets the Winsock Catalog to a clean state or default configuration. This process removes all the network service providers, apart from the default ones, and includes any layered service providers. Resetting Winsock can resolve any potential corruption or misconfiguration within the network stack.
When should I use netsh Winsock reset?
There are several scenarios where running the netsh Winsock reset command can prove useful. If you're experiencing difficulties with your network connection, web pages not loading, or connectivity-related issues in general, resetting Winsock could be your solution. Moreover, the command is often used to fix problems that arise from malware or problematic software that alters the networking capabilities of the system. For example, certain types of malware can manipulate Winsock settings to redirect web traffic, block access to certain websites, or disable internet connectivity entirely.
Why is netsh Winsock reset important?
Understanding and being able to use the netsh Winsock reset command can be an invaluable tool when it comes to troubleshooting and resolving network issues. While it might not solve all connectivity problems, it can often help in cases where a misconfigured network setting or service is causing the problem. Additionally, knowing how to use this command can save you a significant amount of time and stress when trying to restore your computer's internet connectivity. It's a simple yet powerful tool, and it's always worth trying before resorting to more drastic measures like a full system reset or professional repair. That wraps up our deep dive into the netsh Winsock reset command. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of what this command does, when you should use it, and why it's an important tool in your Windows troubleshooting kit. As with any command line tool, remember to use it carefully and only when necessary. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful.